another unboxing. This time it's the ROG GC21 webcam, also known as the ROG Eye. This webcam was developed by ASUS ROG to be an accessory for their high-end gaming laptops. But why, you must be thinking, don't laptops have their own webcam already? Well, most of the time you will be correct in assuming that, but in the case of ASUS ROG's new high-end laptops, they axed the built-in webcams in the pursuit of smaller bezels, hence the external webcam solution. ASUS must be thinking that if you've got the cash for a $3,200 laptop, you probably won't mind ponying up another $80 for a webcam, so you can stream with your powerful new laptop. Let's get started. The ROG Eye comes in a small box that is unmistakably ROG. I like the printing on the ROG Eye name. It reminds me of my old Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Inside the box is a plastic mold that holds the ROG Eye, the cable, and the aluminum alloy base. The ROG Eye is way smaller than most webcams. It also gives up the usual 3-point hinge for a 2-point clamp kind of thing, which is just right if you're going to be using it on a laptop, but very unfortunate for people with thick monitors. Accessories included are a micro USB data cable, aluminum alloy base with a mounting hole for a tripod, and a carrying cover. Let's plug the ROG Eye to my PC and see the image quality. Well, this kind of looks good for me. Please do note that the audio you're hearing now is from the ROG Eye's beamforming microphone, and I don't have lights from this angle, but still the image is quite good for a webcam of this price. One thing to note though, my YouTube videos are in cinema format 4K 24 frames per second, and the ROG Eye can shoot 1080p up to 60 frames per second, which is what you're seeing now. Well, not 60 frames per second, but 24 frames. I'll be using this in my upcoming streams for the full review, so please stay tuned to the Kevin Evangelista Facebook and Mixer pages so you can check out the quality of the webcam. Comment down below if you have any questions about the ROG Eye that you would like to be answered in the review. And please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more straight-to-the-point unboxings like this. My previous video was about the Corsair M55 RGB Pro gaming mouse. Have you seen it? Here's a link. You might want to watch it. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.